The mission demonstrates how DataHub context protects a cancer progression ML pipeline from incomplete biomarker features. So first we'll select this biomarker completeness crisis. So we are in the home page of OncoTwin 3D. Now if we just click on run selected mission, you will see the steps occurring. So you have started. So agents first inspect canonical identity, schema, ownerships, queries and images through DataHub MCP. So you see the process is there. Now if we go to the DataHub local copy, we are running it on the Docker file, you will see I've initialized, and if we just check on it, we are in the progression features. So currently what you see is like here you get, if we have to refresh this progression features. I'll just refresh it once again. So this is a biomarker details that you see, a lot of queries are there. So the simulated biological failure has raised a real incident on the DataHub asset. So if we see, you have one active incident. Okay, so that's the process. Now you see, we'll open up the lineage. So if we click on the lineage option, downstream, so you will get all the details of it. Now DataHub proves the progression scores depend on affected feature product. So the ML guardian blocks model consumption. Now, so let us go back to our application. So we are here right now. So we are here. So you can also check if we want to see the status of different the agents that are there. So you have context scout, we have lineage sentinel, we'll get all the details of it, ML guardian, then we have knowledge steward, repair engineer, bioinformatics agent. Okay, so as you can see, this is waiting for an approval. So before that, we'll just click on the generated repair parts where we have the generated fix that's there. So here you can see, so you will see there is a query that's being already performed over here. The details are accordingly shown. So repair engineer generates SQL from actual DataHub schema and lineage. It does not invent columns. So now we'll look at the governance boundary, because we have mentioned like it doesn't take the steps automatically. There is a human in the loop to provide that approval. So you have this approved mission over here. So we have kept the secret handy with me. I'll just go back and paste it. Now I'll just click on approve mission. So you will see it's verified over here right now. So as you can see, you have all the steps being completed over here. Now also you can um, check for the details too. So you can also look for a verified reply. If I just click on it, you'll see all the steps that has happened, and you will see for the entire steps that's there. So BigQuery repairs the feature product, generates progression scores, and validates the contract before DataHub allows the incident to resolve. Now we will go back to the progression scores over here. So we have the progression features. Now we'll just refresh it. You see the status, all of them are no active query, quality incident is there. So the agent writes the recovery knowledge back to data, allowing the next person or agent to inherit exactly what changed, who approved it, and why it is trusted. So now we'll just go back to our Sentinel main page that we have, and for the details of it we'll just click on the proof galaxy option. You can check all of the details of it. Also, if we just click on all of the information, you will see more details. This is a galaxy that we have replicated. Now you can also check the metadata of it. So as you can see, the entire application is complete, and you can see every observability of it. You can select and see the details of each and every URL that's there. So that would be it. Here is the video demo of the app that we are looking into. So we have three phases.